Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the latest and greatest in home technology. Today, we're diving into the world of smart cleaning with the Lefant M210 Pro robot vacuum cleaner. If you're tired of spending your valuable time on cleaning the floors, this robot vacuum is a game changer for you. With its Tangle-Free 2200Pa suction power, slim design, and quiet operation, the M210 Pro is the ideal solution for pet owners, busy households, and anyone who loves a clean home without the hassle. This upgraded version of the Lefant robot vacuum features the latest Freemove Technology 3.0, which allows it to navigate around obstacles and retreat from potential hazards, keeping your home and the vacuum safe. With 6 cleaning modes including zigzag route, spot cleaning, and scheduled cleaning, you can customize the cleaning experience to fit your needs. The M210 Pro also features carpet boost technology, recognizing carpeted areas and increasing suction power for a deeper clean. And with its improved auto recharging efficiency, you can enjoy up to 120 minutes of cleaning on hardwood floors without having to worry about losing power. But that's not all. The Lefant M210 Pro is also Wi-Fi and app connected, allowing you to control and monitor your vacuum from anywhere with ease. Whether you prefer to use the Lefant app, Alexa, or Google Assistant, this robot vacuum is ready to adapt to your lifestyle. And the best part? Lefant products come with a 12-month warranty, so you can purchase with confidence. Say goodbye to the days of manual vacuuming and hello to a cleaner, more convenient home with the Lefant M210 Pro robot vacuum cleaner. Don't miss the opportunity to transform your cleaning routine. Click the link in the description to purchase yours today.